You've just tuned into Gunman Raw on YouTube. Now let's paint some shit. Woo-hoo! Okay, baby. Monday afternoon. Feel like I've had like 10 coffees, but I haven't. I'm just loving it, mate. Loving it. Smashing the jobs out. Whacking the USB on. So yeah, pretty straightforward job here. Door skin on this one, repair door, and blow down the side. Just an old Mazda 3, nothing special. But good news today, good news. We used to use Dukes on it. This is a perfect job which we would have used Dukes on previously. The Dukes don't clear. But they changed it. They stopped the production of the Australian Duke Zone. They sent us this stuff from Europe and it's absolute garbage. So we tried Challenger. Challenger was garbage too. And long and the short of it is we've got standoffs in at a good price. So it's not going to send us through. And we're going to be using standoffs in every job from now on. So that's really good news. Big Kevy and mate, I'm excited. Probably only Aussies will get that one. I only started on this job like after lunch. It was about 2 o'clock, got her in the booth already. What is it, like 3:30, thereabout. Hour and a half to prep it. Killing it, gunning, killing it. Got her on the big box, mate. Bit of wet on wet there. Better put a bit here too, just a good measure. So I'll go clean that gun out and be back in probably about 5 minutes. I'll give that a few minutes to flash off. Still rushing it, mate. You can cut those corners with the standoff clear. Whoa, he missed a little bit under that wheel arch. How dare you, Johnny? How dare you? There's a bit of bad bob there. That'll do it. Woo! Painting shit, baby! Who else gets excited when they paint shit? Woo! Let's go, baby! Let's paint some shit! Woo! Sevilla GTI Pro HV25. I've actually got the 1.4mm on there now. Smashing it on, mate. Smashing it on. Tack rack's probably seen better days. Get one more job out of it. Classic Aussie saying. Still be right, mate. Spurs like getting all day long, mate. A little few chips over here. Colour's good anyway. two coats. Two coats of colours all this is going to need. One coat will be all it needs on the inside. So I did obviously steam seal it. I put a little bit up around here. Make sure that water's not going to enter and rust the panels out. And just around these edges too. Tip up here, I'll just get a colour on it, nothing too fancy, just an old Mazda. Yeah, I mean if that was a nicer car I would have filled that tip in, but mate, we're not a charity here. Also maybe if I wasn't kind of rushing the job just to get it done. The panel beater's scratched boot lid for the other painter, so he spent all day bloody painting the boot lid and then polishing it. And this was actually his job. So I got my work done already and then have to save the day by getting his job painted for him. And he's out there helping Alan on the primer. I just knew if I had given him this job he wouldn't have got it painted today, so it's all good. No fixing, just showing you what's going on. And now I'm going to mix up my clear. For a while, I've been on the A&I R160 silver, oh sorry, F160. So yeah, standard clear, mate. Loves it. It kind of sounds like a standard clear, but it's basically like Standoff's cheapest clear. It's got the Standoff actual brand on it. It's still good though. Like it's a VOC clear, so this is how we spray it. We will actually be using a fair bit less clear now that we're using this. If done properly, I really hope that the other guys spray it properly. So one coat and then another one straight up after it, and that's done. That's it. Nice, quick, easy application. with a VOC clear, you're not meant to just go and put one coat on, give it a flash off, and then put another one on. This is all you're actually meant to do. Inside, one coat, that's all you need. It's basically got more solid content in there, so you don't need to layer it up, so to speak, with your two wet coats, you know. One coat like this, and then another one just sort of, I don't know, another one. Sounds like he doesn't know what he's on about, but he does. Make sure all those edges are nice. Yep, happy with the inside. It just goes on a lot nicer than, wow, any juice zone. And this will hold that gloss. You know, that if there's no D-nib, there's probably one or two, but one or two nibs, out the door. I did put a little bit of warmth into it. I put it in the microwave for just 10 seconds, just to help it flash off. It's all day here today. Well, it's all day today, past the end of the week. Alright, that's fine. And that will hold that gloss. So yeah, 700ml I mixed up. My calculations took me to 650, but I just added a little bit because I might have, you know, just for that sill panel and inside of the door jam. But it's usually 130ml per panel. And sure, like your fenders or something, they will use a little bit less, but you usually sort of pick that up on the door, so to speak. So like, to be technical, that fender probably only needed 100ml, and maybe your door would need closer to 150. But if you just go 130ml per panel, it usually kind of evens out. So yeah, we'll have enough. This is going to be a perfect reckoning. This is what I used to do every single job using glass with this method. Okay, 130 per panel. Sure, you know you've got a big panel, you mix a bit more up. Small panel, you mix a bit less up, but that rule of thumb of 130ml does definitely work well. There you go. That is the 50ml extra that I thought I was going to be over by about 50ml. My calculations got me to 650. I just thought I'll mix up 700 and 650 would have got me there, you see? 650 would have left me with 2 drops in there. That's killer. Loves it. Nice and quick. I'm out of there now. I'll clean the gun out. I'm done. Loves it, mate. I love that, Claire. So much nicer than what we were using. And that'll definitely hold that gloss. No worries at all. It just leaves those cheap clears in the dust, mate. That's it. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Coming out. Get up there and paint some shit.